You two don't eat the big one.
Oh, he can eat the big one if he wants to. He's our guest. Our super guest.
Taking a movie? Good.
This is Hoover, distant relation of the vacuum. And after he finished the seeds and stuff on the ground, he's deciding to eat the foliage of the sprouting sunflower plants there.
There he goes, right for the young.
Who knew how good those could be? But that's okay. I've been ambivalent about whether to pull them or what. So if Hoover can make good use of him, boy, he looks cute standing there too. And now here's somebody who's keeping an eye, who has hardly moved a millimeter since Hoover appeared out of the gulch.
He knows where the most tender pieces are.
The gulch down there. He came to the plum tree first, and he came up here. He cleaned under the bird feeder.
That's so funny. Sucks it up, just like a Hoover.
Now he just started eating the greenery. That's too cute. Nom 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 nom.
Still not full.
There's another one.
I gotta have some of this one over here. All for me. Mine.
What else they got on the plate over here?
Maybe needs a little water to wash it down.
Probably. He's gonna go find the water now. Oh, he just pooped or something. Yeah, his tail does look a little funny. Like rosemary?
Are you eating my rosemary?
No, he just climbed over the pot. Apparently rosemary is not his thing.
Too strong.
I guess.
Back to seeds. Oh God. The poor sunflower has no clothes on.
Okay, well, meet the Hoover.
Heidi.
What do you think, Heidi?
Was that fun, huh? Was that fun to see, Heidi?
She says, I'm still seeing it. Okay, well, is he doing anything else?